Welcome to the 2026 Tulane University Celia Scott Weatherhead School of Public Health and Tropical Medicine Awards presentation. Our first two awards will be presented by Dr. Thomas A. Leviste, Dean of the school.
Our first award is the Dean's Outstanding Student Leadership Award, which recognizes Daniela Condonato. Daniela has actively contributed to both research and academic activities at the school. In our home department of tropical medicine and infectious disease, she's worked closely with Dr. Claudia Herrera on several Chagas disease projects, especially as it relates to maternal health. A native Spanish speaker, Daniela assisted Spanish-speaking participants during Chagas screening activities, served as secretary, then president of Salud, the student group, and co-led Spanish language labs, developing lesson plans for students interested in practicing Spanish in a public health context. She consistently leads with kindness, integrity, and a spirit of collaboration, making her an ideal choice for the Outstanding Student Leadership Award. Congratulations, Daniela. Next, we have the Dean's Outstanding Student Service Award, which goes this year to Dr. Sharia Dev. Sharia has successfully balanced a rigorous academic background along with leadership responsibilities in several groups, including the Graduate and Professional Student Association, as that organization's president, and the Student Government Association. As a member of the Dean's Advisory Board, she's highlighted student needs, and as an admissions student ambassador, she's contributed countless hours as a resource for the incoming and prospective students. Over the past years, Sharia has been a This is Public Health ambassador for the Association of Schools and Programs of Public Health. In this role, she's elevated both the field of public health and awareness of our school. I'm pleased to recognize her with this year's Outstanding Student Service Award. Congratulations, Sharia.
The Public Health Alumni Association was fortunate to receive more nominations this year than ever before, recognizing the strength and caliber of this graduating class. The association's first award is the Renaissance Award, which recognizes a student who excels in multiple areas of public health and plans to sustain those interests after graduation. The 2026 recipient of this award is Grace Pomeroy. The Resilience Award goes to a student who has overcome significant challenges while continuing to maintain a high level of academic achievement. Two students, Jack Rappaport and Nyla Wansley, were selected to receive the Resilience Award. Two more students have been recognized with the Collaborator Award, which honors a commitment to teamwork and inclusivity. They are Junaid Nawab and Clinton Amayaw. The Health Access Award honors public health work that supports the spread and research of health access-focused initiatives in New Orleans, the U.S., or internationally. That award goes to Sneha Kanan. The Public Health Green Wave Award exemplifies commitment to the purpose of the school and the students' program inside and outside of the classroom. Our Green Wave Award winner is Anita Cook. Finally, the Public Health Leadership Award recognizes students who exhibit potential for leadership in the field following graduation. Two student leaders have been honored with this award, Chalare McCogney and Kennedy Nicholas. Congratulations to all of our outstanding students on behalf of the Public Health Alumni Association.
The annual John J. Walsh MD Award, made possible by a generous donation from the Donum Dei Foundation, goes to the MD MPH combined degree student who best exhibits extraordinary leadership in and commitment to improving the health of individuals and communities. This year's award winner is Hannah Chewy. Congratulations, Hannah, on this well-deserved recognition. We also recognize Apeolua Abraham Akerele, who was honored with the Sidney K. Simon Memorial Prize at a separate event presented by the School of Medicine to a senior MD MPHTM student for excellence in tropical medicine.
The Award for Excellence in Biostatistics honors a biostatistics student who shows excellence in scholarship and service to the department. This year, the Department of Biostatistics and Data Science recognizes Emma Aileen Dar. Congratulations, Emma.
Our next several awards recognize students in the Department of Environmental Health Sciences. First, the Colonel Joseph Contaguglia Award for Academic and Professional Excellence in Disaster Management is presented to a student who emulates Dr. Contaguglia's commitment to the promotion and preservation of public health in the face of disasters and disease. This year's award goes to Arnie Lynn Bengo. The Frank W. McDonald Environmental Health Sciences Outstanding Student Award recognizes a student who demonstrates outstanding performance in the Master's Industrial Hygiene program, contribution to the department and school, and commitment to environmental health as a profession. Congratulations go to Alexandra Holoudne for her outstanding performance. The William R. Hartley SCD Award for Excellence in Environmental Health Research honors excellence in environmental health research and celebrates Dr. Hartley's commitment to students. The award this year goes to Hannah Stoner. In addition to these awards, the department also presents the Certificate of Excellence in Environmental Health Sciences to outstanding students. Congratulations, everyone.
Our next two awards recognize students from the Department of Epidemiology. The Dorothy R. LeBlanc Memorial Scholarship is awarded annually to an epidemiology student who shows promise in a research career. This year's award recognizes Samantha O'Connell. The Department of Epidemiology is also pleased to present the Mary Elizabeth O'Connor Memorial Scholarship Award. This scholarship is provided to an outstanding epidemiology student. Harold M. Groening, MD, established this as a thoughtful tribute to O'Connor, a distinguished alumna who had extensive accomplishments in the work of international health. The O'Connor Award goes to Maria Santos. Congratulations to our epidemiology students.
Our next set of awards is from the Department of Health Policy and Management. Their award recognizes Gemma Pecchia with their Outstanding MPH Award. The next award is named for a 1982 Health Systems Management student who brought special qualities to the department, and in his memory, we honor a Health Policy and Management student dedicated to fostering camaraderie and an HSM spirit. The Jeffrey H. Epstein Memorial Scholarship Award goes to Lauren Nelson. The department would like to present their newest inductees to the Upsilon Phi Delta Honor Society. Congratulations to all.
The Department of International Health and Sustainable Development presents our next set of awards. Physician Carol Bearhorst established a medical program in Guatemala that was a model for similar programs in developing countries. The award in his name recognizes a student who demonstrates academic excellence and dedication to primary health care in lesser developed countries. This year, that award goes to Abel Gallon. The James P. Grant Award recognizes a student who demonstrates the potential to contribute to the field in the area of child survival. Tess Allison Rodenberger has been selected for this year's Grant Award. Congratulations to our IHSD students.
Our next awards are from the Department of Social, Behavioral, and Population Sciences. Their first award is named in memory of Elise Magnus, who loved New Orleans and was dedicated to improving the health status of children and adolescents. The department honors her memory by recognizing students who have demonstrated excellence, achievement, and/or leadership in disease prevention or health promotion programs in the greater New Orleans area. This year, 2 students are being recognized: Madison Arnell Jones and Alexandra Jean Mack. 2 awards of excellence in community health sciences are awarded this year to Shelby Lynn Spoon and Antoniqua Thomas. The award for outstanding academic achievement in nutrition is awarded to Alexandra Jean Mack. Dr. Cesar Corzantes was a beloved maternal and child health faculty member who established primary care clinics in New Orleans. The award in his name goes to a student who demonstrates both an outstanding academic achievement and a commitment to the underserved. Kennedy Nicholas has been selected as demonstrating that same commitment. Dr. Elizabeth Bennett was a leader in maternal and child health at Tulane for many years. The award in her name recognizes a graduating master's student who exemplifies that same dedication to the health of mothers and children. The award for excellence in MCH goes to Sabrina Salazar. The department also recognizes outstanding academic achievement in social, behavioral, and population sciences with an award to Jamie Bao Yen Tran. The department also honors 2 students in the SBPS Doctor of Public Health program. The SBPS DRPH Leadership Award this year goes to Denise Simonette Mitchell. The SBPS DRPH Academic Excellence Award recognizes Taylor Rochelle Gray. Congratulations to all of our SBPS graduates.
The Department of Tropical Medicine and Infectious Disease presents several awards named for former longtime faculty. Dr. Charles Bass was one such professor who was instrumental in many research areas, including malaria. This year, the award in his name goes to Kelvin Anthony Cluley. Another legendary professor, Dr. Antonio D'Alessandro, taught for 55 years and made major contributions to health in Latin America. In his name, this award for an outstanding student in the MPHTM clinical program goes to Aaron Balasingam Koenig. Named for a former chair, the Donald Krogstad Award honors excellence in community involvement, collaboration, and empowering underserved populations. Wafa Hansen Mohammed El Wakil has been chosen for her excellence representing these areas. Finally, Dr. Harrison Spencer was a former dean of the school who was influential across the field of public health education. We honor his memory with the Harrison Spencer Award for an outstanding student in the Tropical Medicine PhD program. This year, that award goes to Ji-Yuan Mao.
Serving as a member of the Student Government Association Executive Board takes tremendous dedication and a commitment of time in a busy graduate student schedule. The school's Office of Student Experience recognizes these 4 students for their service to the Celia Scott Weatherhead School of Public Health and Tropical Medicine: Kennedy Nicholas, Sarah Isaac, Dr. Shilpa Komineni Chinupu Reddy, and Sydney Levin. Thank you all for your service.
The Celia Scott Weatherhead School's Student Government Association also recognizes faculty and staff who have been strong supports to the student body. The SGA Teaching Excellence Award this year honors Dr. Paul Hutchinson from the Department of International Health and Sustainable Development. The SGA also honors Program Manager Colin Foray from the Office of Student Experience with their Staff Excellence Award. The SGA's last award is given in honor of Dr. Elaine Boston, former Associate Dean of Admissions and Student Affairs, which honors outstanding long-term commitment to student needs. This year, exemplified by Dr. Jenny Stolo from the Department of Social, Behavioral, and Population Sciences. Tulane University hosts the annual Tulane Research, Innovation, and Creativity Summit, commonly known as TRIX. We honor 2 graduate students who made excellent presentations at the summit. First, the Master's Award for Excellence in Research and Presentation, which goes to Environmental Health Sciences student Daniel D'Amelia for his presentation on molecular evaluation of suspected positives to assist specificity in a detection assay for Legionella pneumophila. The Doctoral Award for Excellence in Research and Presentation goes to another Environmental Health Sciences student, Keegan Brighton, for his presentation on Toilet to River to Tap, a quantitative microbial risk assessment of de facto wastewater reuse systems in southeastern Louisiana.
The Celia Scott Weatherhead School prepares students to become public health practitioners and researchers around the world. The Global Scholars Program offers dedicated students opportunities to gain technical and professional skills that will prepare them for a global career. This cohort of Global Scholars met all of the program's requirements, earning them a special cord to wear at graduation. Congratulations, Global Scholars. The Ada chapter of the Delta Omega Honor Society annually selects inductees into their ranks and honors exceptional students in their poster competition and dissertation competition. These students and alumni were honored at a separate event earlier this week. WSPH students are also recognized by the university at the Tulane 34 Awards, named in honor of the founding year of the university in 1834.
The Dean's Undergraduate Public Health Scholastic Award recognizes the graduating BSPH senior with the highest GPA. This year's recipient is Harper Page Elmsley. The Dean's Outstanding Undergraduate Public Health Student Leadership Award honors a student who has shown great initiative and conviction with the capability to lead, encouraging others to get involved and be moved to action. This year's recipient is Cameron Brianne Cowett. The Outstanding Undergraduate Public Health Student Service and Volunteerism Award is bestowed on an individual who has put others before themselves, and their work has made a big difference to Tulane, New Orleans, and the greater community. This year, the award goes to Ryan Toops. Each May, Newcomb Tulane College recognizes students who, by achieving academic excellence, embody the highest goals of the institution. This year's honor scholars are Hannah Silverman and Ivy Tobin. Congratulations to our undergraduate Delta Omega Ada Chapter inductees. The Ada Chapter sponsors an annual poster competition to display public health students' research and related work. The undergraduate poster winner for 2026 is Cameron Poss with Non-Human Primate IgM Responses to Mosquito Salivary Proteins Reveal Associations with Recent West Nile Virus Exposure. Tulane University hosts the annual Tulane Research, Innovation, and Creativity Summit, known as TRIX. This year we honor undergraduate Mia McDonald for her presentation, Backwash Olympics 2.0, Bacterial Growth in Reusable Water Bottles Among Undergraduate Students. The Dean's Undergraduate Public Health Teaching Award is presented to a faculty member and is chosen by the students for their professional demeanor and ability to advise and give direction. The recipient is approachable and accessible to students. This year's recipient is Dr. Lauren Dunaway from the Department of Social, Behavioral, and Population Sciences. Public health students are also recognized by the university with the Tulane 34 Awards, named in honor of the founding year of the university in 1834. This year's recipients are Joanne Fastian and Cameron Brienne Cowett. Please join us in a final round of applause to honor all of our stellar students in the class of 2026.